Good evening everyone, my name is Aisa Titeladong from BS Ed Math 3A. Tonight I will going to show you how to find the inverse of this 3 by 3 matrix with checking. Here, if A is equal to 2, 1, negative 1, negative 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, negative 2. And then also we have also to find the A to the power of negative 1. Here, step 1, we have to find the value of A. To find the value of A, we're going to use the basket method. Here, we have to copy these numbers. 2, 1, negative 1, negative 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, negative 2, 2, 1, negative 1. And then we have also to add this negative 3, 2, and 2. To get the value of A, we're going to multiply each number using the basket method and by doing like this. You have to do like a stair style. Here, 2 times 2 times negative 2 plus then another one, negative 3, 3, negative 1 plus 4 times 1 times 2. Okay, and then we have to do we're going to start the lower numbers. Minus negative 1, 2, and 4. It's negative 1, 2, and 4 plus 2 times 3 times 2 plus negative 2 times 1 times negative 3. And here we're going to multiply each number. 2 times 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 8 plus negative 3 times 3 times negative 1 is equal to 9 plus 4 times 1 times 2 is equal to 8 minus negative 1 times 2 times 4 is equal to negative 8 plus 2 times 3 times 2 is equal to 12 plus negative 2 times 1 times negative 3 is equal to 6. And here we're going to add each number. Negative 8 plus 9 is equal to plus negative 8 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 9 minus negative 8 plus 12 plus 6 is equal to 10. 9 minus 10 is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 is the value of A. And here next, we're going to find